Welcome you all guys. Today we are going to discuss how to solve MHT CET questions for upcoming exam. The question: if slope of the one of the line given by ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0 is 4 times other. Line is given, one condition is given. On the basis of this equation and condition, you have to solve the questions very easily. First, this is a question of a straight line, and we know that. So this equation is a combined equation of two lines, and you consider that the slope of one of the line is m1 and slope of another line is m2. Let m1 and m2 are slope of line. Then we have one relation, sum of the slope is equal to minus 2h upon b, and product of slope is equal to a by b. And we have relation given in the example that one of the line is 4 times, slope of one of the line is 4 times the other, means we have given that m1 is equal to 4m2. So right here 4m2 plus m2 minus 2h upon b, which implies that 5m2 is equal to minus 2h by b, m2 is equal to minus 2h by b. Take this 5 this side, then it goes to denominator, it means 2h by 5b. And you, again we have another relation, m1 m2 is equal to a by b. We have m1 is equal to 4m2 into m2 is equal to a by b, which implies that 4m2 square is equal to a by b. m2 is minus 2h upon 5b is equal to a by b. Here on taking square, 4 into 4h square upon 25b square is equal to a by b. 4 for the 16 h square upon 25b square is equal to a by b. On taking cross multiplication by b, take this 25 this side. Here is 16h square is equal to a by b into 25b square. This b square cancel with this b, denominator b. So here is 25ab is equal to 16h square. Take this 25 this side, 16h square minus 25ab is equal to 0. So answer of this first question is equal to D. This is a question from the lesson matrices. A equal to, we have here 2 0 0 0 2 0 0 0 2. We can write this as A is equal to, take 2 common from each row. Here is 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1, and we know that this is a identity matrix 2i. A is equal to 2i. Then find a square. A square we write as 2i into 2i is 4i. How it is I? Let us see. If you multiply identity matrix to another identity matrix, we get identity matrix only. That's why here is 4i. Simply take this multiplication. Then a4 we write as a square into a square, 4i into 4i. Take this multiplication only. 4 for the 16i If you multiply identity matrix by identity, we get identity matrix. That's why it is not I square, here is I only. A6 we can write as A4 into A2, because by the rule of indices A6 we can write as A4 into A2. A4 is, we have 69, A square is 4I is 64I, and we have I is equal to what? From first I is equal to A by 2. You write here A by 2. 2 1, 2 3s are 2 2s are, means 32A. Hence correct answer is 32A. Therefore answer is D. In this way we can solve example very easily within it. Our next question is, P and Q are true statement, R and S are false statement, then you have to find the value of P and Q or S. Here 4 answers are given. You have to write the correct answer. Out of these 4, which one is correct? Let us see. What is given? P and Q are true and R and S are false. Here we have statement P and Q or S. Means P is true, write here true, and Q is true, write here T, or R is false, so write here false. In conjunction, and means conjunction, T, T. So T and T is T, or F, or means disjunction. And in disjunction we have relation T or F is equal to T. So answer A is correct. Simple questions are there. Next one is contrapositive of P or Q implies R. You have to write the contrapositive statement. When relation is there, you know that if P and Q are the two statement, then P implies Q, statement P implies Q, write as a contrapositive statement as negation of Q implies negation of P. We have given that P or Q implies R. Consider this as P and this as Q. This statement equal to P consider and this statement is equal to Q consider. Then contrapositive statement is negation of Q implies negation of P. So negation of R we can write as negation of R implies negation of P or Q. Negation of R. Negation of P, take the negation of P or Q, negation of P and negation of R is and, write as negation of Q. So, which one is correct? Negation of R implies negation of P and negation of Q. Here C is true, so write here C as. Now, third question is, next question, the symmetric form of the equation of line you have to write. Two equations of lines are given. Here one equation is x is equal to ay plus b. Another is z is equal to cy plus d. Equation of lines are given and from this we have to write symmetric form. How will we write? Take this b here to RHS, it becomes minus b. Take the RHS, it becomes z minus b is equal to cy. So from this we can write y is equal to x minus b. This multiply a, here is divided by a. Here z minus d, this multiply c, here divided by c is equal to y. As there is no any number, then here is 1, here is 1 on the denominator. So from this equation we can write as x minus b upon a is equal to y by 1 is equal to z minus d by c. As RH is same, so you write this from these two equation, this relation. So which one is correct here? First one is correct. X minus b by a, y by a, z minus d by c. So this is the answer. In this way you can solve such type of examples.